Hello, Health Journey family. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of health and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about something incredibly important, our kidneys. These small but mighty organs work tirelessly to keep our bodies functioning smoothly, but they need our help to stay healthy. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential foods that are crucial for healing and maintaining your kidneys. Ready to transform your health? Let's get started. 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Let's start with a fruit that's small in size but big in benefits. Blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Imagine your kidneys as a hard-working sponge, filtering out toxins. Over time, these toxins can cause wear and tear, but blueberries act like a protective shield, helping to preserve your kidneys' delicate tissues. 2. Red bell peppers, low in potassium, high in flavor. Next up, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only low in potassium, making them kidney-friendly, but they're also rich in vitamins C and A. These vitamins are vital for reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Think of red bell peppers as the colorful guard at the gates of your kidneys, keeping harmful invaders at bay while allowing the good stuff to pass through. 3. Cauliflower, the detox. Dynamo cauliflower might seem like an ordinary vegetable, but it's a detox dynamo. Rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, cauliflower helps cleanse the kidneys by reducing waste and excess fluid. It also contains compounds that support liver detoxification, indirectly benefiting your kidneys. Picture cauliflower as a cleaning crew for your body, sweeping out the toxins and leaving your kidneys sparkling clean. 4. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster, it's nature's antibiotic. This potent food has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help protect the kidneys from infections and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Imagine garlic as a tiny but fierce warrior, fighting off harmful bacteria and inflammation that threaten your kidneys' health. 5. Apples, the kidney's best friend. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it might just keep kidney disease at bay too. Apples are high in fiber and low in potassium, making them ideal for kidney health. They help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol, both of which are crucial for preventing kidney damage. Think of apples as the loyal friend who's always looking out for your kidneys, keeping them in top shape. 6. Onions. The sulfur shield. Onions are often overlooked, but they're packed with sulfur compounds that help detoxify the body. They're also low in potassium, which is great for kidney health. Onions work by reducing inflammation and protecting the kidneys from oxidative damage. Picture onions as the shield that guards your kidneys, protecting them from the daily onslaught of toxins. 7. Fish. The omega-3 source fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are essential for kidney health. Think of omega-3s as the oil that keeps your kidneys' engines running smoothly, reducing the wear and tear that can lead to kidney damage. 8. Cranberries, the urinary tract protector. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, but did you know they also protect your kidneys? Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can spread to the kidneys. Imagine cranberries as the vigilant guards, patrolling the urinary tract and keeping harmful invaders at bay. 9. Olive oil, the heart and kidney helper. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart health benefits, but it's also great for your kidneys. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil helps reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Picture olive oil as the smooth operator, ensuring that your kidneys work efficiently and without strain. 10. Water, the ultimate kidney cleanser. Last but certainly not least, water is the ultimate kidney cleanser. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health because water helps flush out toxins and prevent kidney stones. Imagine water as the river that flows through your kidneys, carrying away waste and keeping the environment clean and healthy. And there you have it, 10 essential foods that are key to healing and maintaining healthy kidneys. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to function at their best. Remember, your health is a journey, and every small step counts. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods for kidney health? Which ones are your favorites? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to Health Journey for more insightful content. Until next time, take care of your kidneys. They're working hard for you every day.